Good afternoon, folks. It is Monday, May 11th, and you are up on my forehead. I've never used this head mount before, but I figured since my dad and I are going out for the first time this spring to chop some fresh food for the cows, I'll need both hands, and the most effective way for me to film would be putting the camera up on my forehead. So we'll see how that goes. We have the 856 running here with the chopper hooked up. I don't know if my dad's done a test run yet, but I greased it up. So now we're gonna head out there, and I hope this camera's getting a good angle. As I said, it's the first time I've ever used this mount, so hopefully it's capturing everything I want it to. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So I cut down with the hay bine earlier today, 4 rounds around this field. So we're just going to be picking up windrows with the flail chopper. My dad has used the Super C to pull the wagon up. He did a quick cleaning of it, pitched it out really quick. So now we're going to hook on here. I think he's running to grab a pin. Hook on here and see what we can do. load?
Yeah, it shouldn't have taken that long, that's
Well, if you care to explain while we turn why we cut already.
well, not really sure. Oh, we cut the cows easy.
Only 4 bales left, but seed be fed, so.
And I'm not sure I have an explanation for it.
We'll see what happens here. If we're talking about climate change being warming, I don't think that's what it is. But back in the 60s, they were talking about global cooling, weren't they? So maybe we're just running it back to 60 years ago. Alright, you can unhook me, or I'll go unhook myself. It's easier for me to jump off. And then we'll drive back. I'll come back up after the cows come in and deliver this. We'll leave the Super C here so I can deliver it with that. I can jump off. Alright. Well, I know you're not looking at me while I'm talking because I don't really feel like taking the camera down, but I hope that turned out well. I enjoyed using my head mount there because I have both hands free that I can do things with. So now we're gonna go back and I suppose get the barn ready, get the cows in, and I'll probably stop the video off there after we get the cows in maybe. Do that tonight because I'll want to get back in milk, but yeah, that needs to be moved. Well, I was just reviewing my head mount footage and I was pretty happy with how that turned out. So there will probably be more point of view farming footage from me this summer because I enjoyed that. As I said in my last video or the video before, I don't know what it'll be by the time I get this one up. It's hard for me to film when I need both hands for something, but that actually worked quite well. I never really thought about using my head mount before. I also have a chest mount that I can put on my chest, but I'm satisfied with how that looked. So I believe next thing will be getting the cows in, and I'll probably just put that right at the end of the video. So I will probably sign it off here. Hope you enjoyed the point of view footage on top of my head. I am glad I had the mount, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to film that. Obviously I was using both hands and all of my brain power to just do the work. So hope you enjoyed that. leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.